Hello there. Share lang namin sa inyo ang aming accommodation dito sa Siquijor. Ang name niya is Island Casitas, located in San Juan, Siquijor. So dito yung pinaka main road niya, yung Siquijor Circumferential Road. From here, busy street siya. Tabi-tabi yung mga restaurant, mga hotel, resort. And tanong mo na rin dito yung dagat. So papasok ka ng konti. It's about 50 meters going to the resort. Nag-dive. So let's get inside the actual resort. So from here, we parked our rented motorcycle. Itong Honda Click. So ito yung pinaka main entrance ng resort. Then as you enter the resort, bubungat sa atin is itong villa. Sa Villa 1 and 2. So pwede mo siyang i-rent both or isa lang. So it's Villa number 1 and Villa number 2. So akit tayo. Then may common area dito. May mga tables and chairs. Kung gusto nyo kumain, pwede dito. So ito yung pinaka view ng villa. Meron siyang resting chair. Then ito yung view ng actual property. So ang aesthetic niya is wooden tropical theme. So meron palang puno dito, ito hindi nila pinutol kasi hanggang taas siya. So sa halip na putulin yung puno, gumawa ng paraan na ma-incorporate yung puno dito sa design ng resort. So ito yung common area nga niya. Provided din yung mga cooking equipment like induction cooker. Meron din ditong source of water. Then rep. Pwede kayo maglagay dito ng pagkain, drinks. Sa room kasi walang provided na rep or minibar. So kompleto naman siya ng supply, pati yung tubig. Yung configuration ng dalawang kwarto na ito is parehas lang. Ito yung pinaka-entrance niya. Then sa kabila, ito naman yung entrance niya. So baba na tayo. Explore natin yung mismong resort. Then meron din tong hammock. Marami rin siyang coconut trees. May bunga pa. Oh. Medyo paakyat yung terrain ng resort property. Nagsisimula na sila magtanim dito. Bagong open lang kasi ito. I think 1 or 2 years pa lang. Then from here, alam ko tanaw na yung dagat. So yan, tanaw na yung mismong dagat. Zoom natin. Yan na yung mismong dagat. So lakad-lakad lang tayo. Dito may isang infrastructure or establishment. Parang mali bahay siya. Siguro dyan naka-stay yung mga staff nitong resort. Ito naman yung papunta sa swimming pool. Ang dami pang puno dito, malalaking puno sa taas. Yan na yung mismong swimming pool. Provided yung mga bathing chair, pool chair, or pool bed na pwede mong i-recline. Reclinable naman to. And ito na yung mismong swimming pool. So estimate ko ang size nito is 4 meters by 10 meters. So ang lalim lang niya up to 4 feet. Mababaw lang, safe yung mga kids. Hindi yung sobrang bata, mga kids lang. So provided din yung mga beds kung gusto mo mag-rest. May table kung gusto mong kumain or uminom. So ang vibe kasi dito is more tropical vibe or island vibe. Yung area na yun, yung pala yung shower area. So bago magligo, shower muna. Nag-swimming na ako kanina mga 15 minutes ago. And puntahan naman natin yung magkabilang bilya naman. Doon kasi kami naka-check-in. Ito yung tinatawag nila na Filipiniana Villa. Villa o Villa? Filipiniana Villa. So, ang disenyo niya is Philippine type. Kasi made of kapis yung bintana niya. Then wooden. So, 2 bilya siya. Villa o Villa. Dito kami naka-check-in. Then occupied naman din yung katabing bilya. Pati yung 2 villa doon is occupied din. Ayun na si Mrs. Cruz. Ay, tutulog eh. Knock knock. Nangaroling po. So mag room tour naman tayo, or villa tour. Napansin ko sa likod nito, ang dami rin palang mga coconut tree tataas. Dito naka-located yung aircon unit niya, yung outdoor. Then, yung design nga niya is Filipiniana, made of wood, kapis. So, pasok tayo, tingnan natin yung room. Upon entering, may resting chair and provision for your wet clothes. Pwede ka mag-dry ng clothes dyan. Then ito yung pinaka main door. Isa nga lang pala yung door. So, pasok tayo. Knock knock. Ay, natutulog ang aking misis. So magandang evening. Good evening, Rachel.
Good evening.
So magsuswimming muna kami. Check namin yung pool.
Apo.
So ito ay itsura ng pool area sa gabi. Ito yung mga parang cabanas niya or yung mga bed. Then yung table. Then yung si Mrs. Cruz. Malamig.
Okay lang.
Okay lang daw yung tubig.
Warm.
Little warm. Tingin. Smile. Oop. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, singin ka na. At wala yung isang manggas.
Meron.
Tayo mo isuot.
Style nga yun.
Style ba yun? Yun. Medyo conservative si Mrs. eh. Smile pare. 1, 2, 3.
Maganda pag ano.
1, 2, 3.
Hindi mas maganda yung
Alin?
mas maganda yung
Mas maganda yun. Kasi isa parang may kulang eh. Kaya maganda.
style nga yun.
Ah, ganun ba yun? Yeah, so swimming lang kami sandali. Hindi naman kalamigan. Kalmante yung hangin. Hindi siya malakas. So solong-solo namin yung swimming pool. Parang kami lang yung guest ng resort. Baka naman mabasa yung cellphone mo. Swimming na. Tigil na cellphone. pikir. So time-lapse ko na lang para
Pwede naman yun.
time-lapse ko. Now it's time for our room tour. Actually pa-check out na kami. Hindi ko na nakuhanan ng video yung pagdating namin. Pero to share our accommodation with you in case na mapunta kayo ng Siquijor. Ang pinagstayan nga namin is Island Casitas. Ito siya. It's a villa. Ito yung Filipiniana villa. So ang style niya is may pagka Filipino na tropical style. Kasi made of wood siya. Then kapis. Dalawa unit niya. Ito saka another one. So akit po tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura niya sa loob. So upon reaching the balcony, meron siyang resting chair, which is di naman namin nagamit. Then meron hanger ng mga clothes para matuyuan yung mga wet clothes na pwede rin ibilad dito para mas madali siya matuyo. So upon entering, may mga ilaw siya, style nung reminds me nung panahon ng mga Kastila. Ganyan yung mga design ng mga wall lamp. Yung magkabila. Then ito yung pinaka main door niya, sliding door.
Crazy door.
Crazy door daw. So it's a sliding door, kabila.
Crazy door yan. Crazy door.
And pasok tayo. So bago pumasok, meron pang curtain, white curtain for privacy. Then upon reaching the door itself, bubungat sa inyo itong small cabinet. At the same time, rack ng mga clothes. Diyan namin nilagay yung mga damit namin. Pa-check out na kami in 10 to 15 minutes. Yung mga bag namin. Then meron siyang maliit na cabinet for your maybe slipper, shoes. Then we have the working table. If magla-laptop kayo or magsusulat, nandiyan yung provision nga for a table. After that, may mga complimentary coffee supply siya. Ito is sugar. Wala na yung creamer eh. Naubos na namin yung creamer saka instant coffee. Ito may natira pa na tinimpla ni Mrs. Cruz. Yung itlog, hindi ito kasama. Binili ni Mrs. Cruz yan. Then, provided na rin yung water. So, pag naubos, hingi lang kayo doon sa commissary nila. Or doon sa kitchen. Also provided is yung airpot. Ay, kettle pala, sorry.
Electric kettle.
Electric kettle. So, conveniently located siya dito sa table kasi andito yung mga power outlet niya. Then, meron siyang emergency light din sa loob. Then, trash can. Also, if you have the table, syempre may kasama na chair. So, yung design niya, sulihiya. Modern sulihiya to. Then, foam. Good for one person lang. Sa loob naman, makikita niyo yung kapit style ng unang panahon. Panahon ng mga Spanish, mga Kastila. So, pwede siyang buksan, pero hindi na namin binuksan kasi lalabas yung lamig ng aircon. Also, provide is a 1 horsepower na split type aircon. There's also a service table na pwede nyo ilagay yung mga pagkain nyo o yung small gamit nyo. Here naman, we have the announcement or information about power interruption. Kanina nag-power interruption around 5 AM. So, mga 1 hour lang naman daw yan. So, pag alis namin kanina ng 5 AM, hindi na namin alam kung anong hours nagka-kuryente. Then we have the double-size bed with a blanket. Included is 4 pieces ng pillow. So, generous sila na mag-provide ng 4 pieces ng pillow. On the side, we have the table, side table naman. Side table. Then this one, it looks like sa medicine box, pero actually, panel box siya sa kuryente. So, para maitago lang yung panel box niya, nilagyan niya siya ng wood cabinet. Also inside the room, may mga pin light siya. Actually, 4 siya. Then ito yung pinaka chandelier light niya. Then let's go now inside the CR. Also made of wood siya. And by the way, yung floor niya is also made of wood. Hindi siya synthetic wood or manufactured wood. It's really wood. Para ma-feel niyo yung vibe ng Filipino. Tropical vibe. So here's the switches for control for the lights. Then let's go inside the toilet and bath. Upon entering, unang bubungad yung toilet bowl. Also the shower with the faucet. Also included is the hot and cold shower. Yan. Practical gamitin yan, especially pag umaga malamig. May window, copy style pa rin siya. Also this one. Pero nilagyan niya ng parang acrylic plastic or acrylic glass. Also provided is shampoo and soap. They also give us 2 pairs of towel, makapal siya, and a piece of hand towel or paste towel. Included sa toilet bowl is yung bidet. Malakas naman ang pressure dito. Kasi malakas, consistent yung pressure niya. Also they have tissue, paper provided, and the trash can or trash bin. Dito naman, I'm naked. There's a wall mirror para makita mo yung sarili mo. Makita yung sarili. Then there's the lavatory or sink. Provided is the hand soap and the bath soap. Also meron silang socket dito na CGFI yata o CGFI. I forgot the acronym. Ito pag iwas to sa grounding. Yan, so pati ilaw. Yan pala siya. Then switch for your light. So pretty much that's it. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa munting room tour. How are you, Mrs. Cruz?
I'm good.
Are you ready to check out?
Yes.
Are you ready to embark into another adventure?
Of course.
You better be ready.
Opo.
So that's it for now.
Yeah.
Bye-bye ka na.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you on our
Thank you
next
for
accommodation.
watching.
Nilipat kami sa kabilang hotel. About 2 or 2.5 kilometers from here. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Check out na kami. Salamat. Bye-bye, Island Casitas.
Buti wala pa yung
See you again. Miss Shell.
Apo, maganda.
Highly recommended to. Sama namin sa vlog namin. Thank you. Eh, mahaba eh. Basta itatag ko na lang sa page nyo. Thank you. So, check out na kami. So, subukan namin mag-check-in na dun sa kabilang hotel. If hindi naman pwede, wait muna or mag-lunch muna kami. Thank you, Island Casitas. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, may flying kiss pa.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled. Caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove
Daddy mo,
that this is
nakasama
my
ka.
life. I can see it now, see it now,
Daddy,
see now.
konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.